So for this video, I am going to show the work for 9-1 homework number 3. In this situation, we have a system where both equations are in slope-intercept form. So I will graph both in the same grid and try to find a point of intersection. So for my top equation, my y-intercept is 2. So I plot a point at 2. And my slope is negative 3/4, which means I'm going to go down 3 over 4, down 3 to the right 4. Again, it's important to know that we go down and right, or we can go up 3 and back 4. Up 3 and back 4. Those are your two options, but you should make sure that that line is going down from left to right since the slope is negative. For my other equation, I'm going to switch to green, and in this one, my y-intercept is at negative 10, and my slope is positive 3/4. So I run 3, or rise 3, sorry, run 4, rise 3, run 4. When I do that, it looks as though my point is at 8, negative 4. So I'm almost positive that's my answer, but I do want to do a quick check just to make sure it works. To check, I take both equations separately, so I'm going to take negative 3/4 x plus 2, plug in negative 4 for y, 8 for x. Now 8 divided by 4 is 2, so I can cross multiply and get rid of those. Negative 4 equals negative 6 plus 2, and that is in fact true, so we're good. For it to be true for sure, we also have to check in the other equation. So y equals positive 3/4 x minus 10. Negative 4 equals 3/4 times 8 minus 10. Negative 4 equals 6 minus 10, which is negative 4. So we can see it works in both equations, so we're all set. My answer is 8, negative 4.